Hi family, happy today. Thanks for stopping by. Today I'll be making peach cobbler pockets, and these are the ingredients. I have 1 egg that I have beaten. I have just a little bit of lemon extract. I have nutmeg. I have cinnamon. I have butter, sugar, caramel, confectioner's sugar, and a little bit of vanilla extract. And here I have peach pie filling. Let me show you what we'll do next. I'm using croissant dough, and as you can see, I've cut out a few pieces already. Here you are. But I'm just going to cut a couple more out so you can see. Place it down. Cut. And there you have it. I'm using a little cookie cutter that I got for 79 cents. And I had it in the refrigerator because it has butter in it, so it gets soft really quick. But you can take the rest of this and you just roll it together. And you roll it out again, and you keep cutting until you can't cut anymore. You try to use all of it if it's possible. Okay, and here's what we're going to do next. I have my oven heated on 350. I have my pan on medium. I'm going to take my peaches. See, it's already nice and thick when you buy it out of the can. Just going to add some flavors. Going to take some sugar, depending on how sweet you want it. I don't like real sweet. I'm going to shake some nutmeg. Come on up. Cinnamon. Vanilla flavoring. A drop of lemon. That's all you need. And your butter. We're going to stir this. And we're going to heat it for about 10 or 12 minutes on low though. After it heats up, turn it down low. Then cover it. And then after about 10 or 12 minutes, you set it to the side and let it cool. And I'll be back after that. Okay, I'm going to put a couple together, and then I'm going to put them all in the oven until they brown. And that'll be it. But I'm going to put my egg wash around the edges. And this is to make sure that they don't come loose while they're baking. It seals them pretty good. You put it on both sides. Just around the edges. Take a little bit. I kind of cut them up to the peaches so that they would fit. They come in slices in the can, so you'll have to cut them up. A little more in this one. Be good to make a few of these, quite a few of them when you have a gathering. That way everybody won't have to eat out of the same pan. Everybody can have their own individual little pie. You can do this with a fork or whatever. You can pinch it. I'm just gonna press it together. And it seals pretty good with the egg wash. And then I'm gonna brush the top with egg wash. And then I'm just gonna poke so they can have some air holes and they won't explode. Okay, I'm gonna put these in the oven. Put all of them in the oven and I'll be back when they're done. And there you have it, peach cobbler pockets. Thanks for hanging out with me. I had a ball. I hope you did too. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe. And do something nice for somebody today. And until next time, be well. P.S. This one is plain. I put cinnamon sugar on this one, powdered sugar on this one, and the caramel on this one. Okie doke.